am a self-diagnosed bad natural. I'm a single mom, a business owner. I have a household to run, a life to manage. So I just simply don't have time for a 2 to 3 hour hair day. So here's what I do. You can see here my hair, it's pretty bad. It's dry, it's lifeless. She's dead, y'all. But I'm gonna bring it back with a pre-wash conditioner, and I'm gonna spray that all throughout my hair. And that's gonna help to detangle some of my hair and just bring some moisture and elasticity back into my hair. You can see here, she's starting to come back. She's starting to look better. And you just spray that everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Make sure you get those ends. My ends are always dry and brittle, especially after I've neglected it. So make sure to get those ends and all throughout. You'll see there's some tangles here, and I'll make sure to spray those as well because it's going to help to detangle. The next step is to brush through your hair. I like to brush through and get the tangles out, get some of the dead hair out that's kind of just tied up in there, to prevent some of those knots while you wash. And this is going to help to straighten and get your curls back in, get your natural curls back in, but again, get rid of some of that hair that's already fallen off and shedded, and it's going to keep some of those tangles and knots from bothering you. You see, some of those curls are coming back. So the next step is the Mega Moisture Shampoo. Now this shampoo isn't out yet. I haven't released it, but let me know in the comments if it's something you're interested in. It's full of vitamins, nutrient-rich oils to help moisturize your hair and again, get that elasticity back and bring that baby back to life. Be sure to work it all through your hair, in the middle, on the ends. I love to get my edges because that's often missed, but it's going to moisturize your hair as you lather and as you cleanse. Time to rinse. You can see here my hair is rinsed out and she's got some life and some body, some curls and some waves. We've gotten rid of that dandruff and she's looking moisturized, but we're going to take it a step further and we're going to put in the hair growth serum. This serum is everything. I use it on my hair, my scalp. My hair loves it. It craves it. And you'll notice that I didn't put in any conditioner. That wasn't by accident. Between the shampoo and the hair serum, baby, it's all your hair needs. Let me know if you're interested in the comments. We're thinking about doing a giveaway, about doing a special VIP release. Not quite sure yet, but if that's something that you're interested in, let me know. Make sure you work it through to your scalp, and here I am applying some of this into my palms so that I can get each strand. So I absolutely love the dropper because it allows me to apply directly to the scalp, and then it allows me to measure out how much I want to put onto my hair. So I'm just making sure I get every strand, and we're bringing it back to life here. Look at this. I missed a spot. Not a problem. Just do the praying hands method, and I make sure that I work it in, and you're gonna see how moisturized and hydrated she is after this. Look at this bounce. So I'm just working it through each strand and kind of making sure I'm pulling out my curls, releasing some of those tight waves there, and we're going to comb through it. There's a couple of ways that you can go about doing your hair here, but you definitely want to make sure that you comb through it, and you'll see that the serum helps to detangle as well. Absolutely love this serum. I cannot rave about it enough, and you'll see that I hit a knot here, and I'm going to show you how I take care of that knot. You see it? Not a problem. Just get a little bit of that serum, put it before and after the comb so that it can properly moisturize and hydrate those strands, and they'll release each other. See? Easy peasy. You don't have to dry your hair if you don't want to. I'm not big on drying my hair. I do a natural air dry. So here you see I've just kind of done a little comb through, pulled it back. That's it. That's typically how I wear my hair anyway, but you can do it other ways, of course. You can wear your hair down. If you like for your curls to kind of get that spongy curl look, you can absolutely do that. Or if you're like me and this is the end of the night, this has been a late night, I am getting ready for bed. So I just do two simple parts. Make sure that I comb through, and then I do a simple twist. This entire process from start to finish, from me using the pre-wash conditioner to then using the Mega Moisture shampoo and to applying the hair serum, combing through and doing this simple part and twist, took me all of 15 to 20 minutes. I am not a good natural. Maybe this isn't the way most people do it. They want to spend hours doing it, but I just simply cannot. So this is me. This is what I do. Simple little part. And I put my bonnet on, and y'all, I am ready for bed. At the end of the night, all I need to do is shower and go to sleep. Thanks for watching.